But anyway, we're back to race part 2. The last one was a big crash for the N-scale train. We fixed that track work. Now it's time to race again. We're at lap 2. Okay, here we go. Ready? All steam engines? That one doesn't have a whistle. Okay. Then let's do this. Here we go. Let's do. Oh, backwards. Here we go. The race is on. Lap 3, the steam engine go. N-scale have a lot of catching up to do. Here goes N-scale, going a little faster. Head to head. Lap 4. N-scale is so falling away. Oh, wait, what's this? N-scale slow down. Lap 4. N-scale's still making the run for it. Lap 5. Here we go. Alright, N-scale, you can probably beat the steam engine. Lap 6. Oh no, the N-scale's slowing down. Here we come, next. So close. Lap 7, here we go. Lap 8. Lap 9. Lap 10, the final lap is coming up. It's gonna be close. Would they win? Oh no, N-scale is starting to close that. N-scale won! Sorry there. Okay, N-scale is gonna go fast as he could right now. N-scale is making a fast move. Oh, wheels off the track. Okay, that's not really a good finish for him. But we'll see you next time on the next train race.